Simple past tense, I. Positive sentence. I worked. Negative sentence. I didn't work. Question sentence. Did I work? Simple past tense, you. Positive sentence. You worked. Negative sentence. You didn't work. Question sentence. Did you work? Simple past tense, he. Positive sentence. He worked. Negative sentence. He didn't work. Question sentence. Did he work? Simple past tense, she. Positive sentence. She worked. Negative sentence. She didn't work. Question sentence. Did she work? Simple past tense, it. Positive sentence. It worked. Negative sentence. It didn't work. Question sentence. Did it work? Simple past tense, we. Positive sentence. We worked. Negative sentence. We didn't work. Question sentence. Did we work? Simple past tense, they. Positive sentence. They worked. Negative sentence. They didn't work. Question sentence. Did they work?